important to you, but it's important to me, and I'm going to tell you why. I call this roast beef sliced thin. I'm a new mom. My baby is 4 months old. My husband is a pilot. He flies 4 or 5 days. I'm stuck at home, downriver with the baby. Too poor to go out and enjoy my life with the baby. I'm stuck at home. So every day while he's flying, I'm thinking I can't wait for him to come home because we get to go to the grocery store. That's our date night, the grocery store with the baby. And this time, when we go to the grocery store, I'm going to order roast beef sliced thin. I'm very excited about this, you guys, because for the past 5 days, I've been eating Michaelini's $1 frozen pizzas. I'm not kidding you. That's what I've been eating. So, husband comes home. The next day, he comes home that night. Next day, we get to go to the grocery store. I'm so excited. I get the baby ready. And I'm like, let's go, baby. Let's go to the grocery store. Come on. And he's talking to the neighbor right over the fence. And I'm like, come on, baby. Listen, Shirley, she's 83 years old. Shirley, I don't mean to be rude, but I haven't been out of the house all week, and we're going to the grocery store, and I'm excited. He'll talk to you later. So we get in the truck. We go to the grocery store. I have the baby. He has the cart. And then I'm over looking at the cheese. He pulls the number. He's number 67. Number 61 is being served. The cheese is 40% off. I'm excited. I'm checking it out. I'm making sure that the dates are okay on the cheese and that, you know, I can like buy 5 packs of this cheese and it'll be good. So I'm looking at that, and he orders the roast beef, and I yell at him. There's like 10 people in line. I'm yelling at him, roast beef sliced thin, roast beef sliced thin, baby. And I'm looking at the cheese, and he comes over with a sample of the roast beef, and he's like, here, honey, try this. What do you think? And I'm trying it, and I'm like, oh no, honey, roast beef sliced thin. Tell the lady, roast beef sliced thin. And he's like, oh no, it's good, it's good. And I was like, no, baby, which lady is the one working behind the counter? I want it sliced thin. And he's like, oh, no, it's good. I already ordered it. And right then and there, my whole excitement for my one day out of the house grocery shopping dropped because he ordered roast beef and it wasn't sliced thin.
Slice that. Slice that. And quarter. You didn't tell her. Did you tell her already? That's what you wanted? You didn't ask me at first?
I said that's fine when I looked at it.
Thank you.